Welcome back to the .NET with IoT series. In this video, we're going to learn how to make the circuit diagram connections for our sample Blinky. Over here, I have the .NET Core repo open with the Blinky sample. If we scroll down in this repo, which explains how we run the sample, it also includes a section that explains what the breadboard layout looks like. We will be using this diagram as a reference to make our connections. So let's go grab our components and get started. So to begin, let's make our first connection. The diagram starts with a wire running from pin 6 to 3, 4, 5, 6 to a row in our breadboard. Next, we will connect our resistor. So let's get this plugged in. And then we're going to grab our LED, put it in here. All right. The next connection says to go from the LED to a vertical line here. And then from this vertical line, which is ground, we go to the ground of the Raspberry Pi. So to recap, if you notice, a circuit is usually a circle. So we're going from the Raspberry Pi to the breadboard. It goes into the resistor, which flows into the LED. The LED then is connected to the ground, which connects to the ground port of the Raspberry Pi. And that completes our connection needed for the LED Blinky sample. So we just learned how quick and simple it is to make the connections to get started with our LED Blinky sample. Join us in the next video where we will talk about the .NET classes that we will use to write our LED Blinky code.